very happy Children's Day and Deepavali to all of you. Children, just now you have seen this wonderful short movie prepared by your teachers, showing that how much they are missing you. And I'm sure you are also missing your school and your teachers. And the reason we can't wish each other face to face, you know, is COVID-19. Dear children, you must have heard the background song also, Ruk Jana Nahi, Tu Kahin Haar Ke. Tu Kahin Haar Ke means kisse haar ke? Haar with COVID-19. And the good news is, dear children, that not even 1% of the staff members, 1% of all the students, or 1% of the parents, they got affected with corona disease. Isn't it a great blessing of God on each one of us? We should be thankful to God. Two things, dear children, I would like to share with you here. One is that we are also celebrating Deepavali. You know, Deepavali is the festival where there is victory of good over evil. It is also known as the festival of light. Light is God, which dominates darkness, which is evil. And you all know that we celebrate Deepavali because of the victory of Lord Rama on Ravan. You know, pollution is another very, very serious problem of our country. And doctors and scientists, they have warned us that this corona will increase if pollution will increase. So dear children, see that you will not play with the crackers and you will celebrate pollution-free Deepavali. But then, to make it more important, to make yourself more happy, the amount of money which you used to spend on crackers, now my suggestion is that you should spend this money on the poor and needy children. You know, the children of your servants, children, those who are poor staying in your locality. Hunt for such children and help them. I think this will be the most decent way and it will be the best way to celebrate Diwali. In the end, dear children, I would like to request you to continue fight with this COVID-19. And the best way to fight is to keep taking precautions. Whenever you are out, you should carry a mask all the time and maintain social distancing all the time. So once again, dear children, a very, very happy Children's Day and a very happy Deepavali to all of you.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के रुक जाना नहीं तू.
Good morning, children. Happy Children's Day. As you know, the world has changed and you are using a mobile phone every day, for which we will not punish you now onwards. And also that the change that is coming into the world is a constant. We want you all to be very safe at home. In school, we are missing your laughter, we are missing your noise in the corridor, and we are missing teaching you. You also know that there is no class without a teacher and there is no school without students. So happy Children's Day and happy Diwali to all of you.
तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के.
Happy Children's Day. We are missing you. We want to be teachers once again and we can't be without you all here. So keeping in mind the difficult situations, We are really looking forward to seeing you all back. All right, so take good care, stay safe, and God bless all of you. Happy Children's Day once again.
ओ राही 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 ओ राही।
Warm wishes to you all children on this Children's Day. We all miss you a lot. Though you are not here with us, but you are not far away from our hearts. Keep smiling, have a wonderful year ahead and spread happiness all around you. A very, very happy Children's Day once again. Thank you. Happy Diwali to you all.
सूरज देख रुक गया है तेरे आगे झुक गया है। सूरज देख रुक गया है तेरे आगे झुक गया है। जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना।
Children are innocent, children are mischief, but children bring a smile to one's face. One of the most treasured possessions on earth, children are loved by one and all. Thus, Children's Day celebrate to commemorate the healthy growth and happiness of children. Happy Children's Day.
शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं दिन इंतजार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के। कांटों के चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के।
बच्चों, हमारा विद्यालय इस समय आपके पुनर्आगमन की प्रतीक्षा कर रहा है। हम सब इस विद्यालय में आपका स्वागत करना चाहते हैं। आपके लिए हमारी प्रतीक्षा चल रही है। हम चाहते हैं कि विद्यालय में रौनक फिर से लौटे, क्योंकि बच्चों कक्षाएं और विद्यालय का प्रांगण बिना आपके अधूरा है। हमारी प्रतीक्षा जल्दी ही पूरी होगी। इसी विश्वास के साथ, इसी आशा के साथ मैं अपने विचारों को विराम देती हूँ। ऑल द बेस्ट।
ओ राही 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 ओ राही।
हैप्पी दिवाली।